See in your mathematics book, this next one means ninth one chapter, halves and quarters. Halves and quarters. See in your book, page number 94. Here, see this picture. Mintu cat and Motu cat were friends. Mintu cat and Motu cat were friends. Once they stole a chapati from Malini's kitchen. And I will take it, said Mintu. I will take it, said Mintu. No, I will take it, said Motu. While they are quarreling, there came Titu monkey. They are quarreling. Firstly, they stole a chapati from Malini's kitchen, and they quarreling from these chapatis. They are quarreling. They come, and that time there came this Titu monkey. Hi, what is this problem? Why are you quarreling? He asked. We don't know how to divide this chapati between us, the cat said. Here only one chapati, and here both are quarreling. Then we don't know how to divide this chapati between this cat said. Okay, don't worry, I will divide the chapati equally for both of you. And he said, clever Titu divided this chapati like this. See this one chapati. He divided into two parts. These two parts. This one chapati divided into two parts. These are not equal. The left part is bigger, Mintu and Motu. These two parts equal? No. Then left part is bigger here. Mintu and Motu said, oh no problem, I will make it equal. Then Titu said he then cut a part of this left piece and ate it. Then again you see this right side of this part is again bigger. Now the right part is bigger. The cat tried, I am sorry, said Titu. He cut a part from this bigger piece and ate it when there was only a small piece remaining. Then he said, this is my share for the work. Then Titu then quickly ate the last piece and climbed the tree. Then half. You see, if the cats ask you to divide this chapati equally, and how will you divide it? See this chapati, one part is divided into two parts, means this 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means half. Means this one part is divided into two parts, means 1 by 2. If you do not cheat like Titu, the cats will have these parts. See here, half of. If two or more cats come for food, then how will you divide one chapati equally for 4 cats here? Already here 2 cats. This one chapati divided into 2 parts. But here again came this some more cats. Then how to divide this one chapati here again 4 parts? See this one chapati again you divide these 4 parts. Firstly this half part divided again 2 parts. This half part again divided into 2 parts, means totally one part is divided into 4 parts. One part is divided into 4 parts, means it is called as a quarter. 1 quarter, and it is called as a half. Each of us got a quarter of the chapati, and you are a good divider. See, half of these many pieces. Rani got a chocolate, and she divided it equally and gave him to her friend Rina. Circle the portion that Rina got. You see this chocolate, and she divided this chocolate into 6 parts. How many parts here equally? 6 parts, means one part is divided into 6 parts. You write here 1 by 2 means half, and 1 by 4 means 1 quarter. 1 quarter. Then how many pieces of chocolates are there? You see this picture of these chocolates here. How many pieces of these chocolates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. Then how many pieces were left with Rani? Oh, half a chocolate chocolate is as tasty as a whole chocolate. Then many shapes from a half sheet. See here. Take a piece of paper, cut the sheet into two equal triangles. So each triangle is equal to half of this sheet, and set the two triangles with different colors. The next one, you do this activity many ways to cut into half. I have made a rectangle into two equal parts like this. Each part is half, and we write it as half means 1 by 2, means it means one part out of 2. 1 by 2 means one part out of 2, and you can check if these parts are equal and try keeping on top of the other. Then you cut these rectangles, two equal parts like this, and you try keeping on one top of the other, and you see these two parts are these equals. Then in how many different ways can you cut a rectangle into half? You see here, this draw here 5 different ways of these rectangles, and you cut these rectangles into half. Then many ways to make here quarters. Here again rectangles given here, and this cut into a type of these quarters. Quarters means, see here, this one rectangle divided into quarter means one rectangle divided into 4 parts. How many parts? These 4 parts means 1 by 4. Then next one, cutting the cake. Rajni's father brought a cake. And she divided this cake into 4 equal parts, and herself, her brother Raju, her father, and her mother. Color each share with different colors. You see here, this one cake divided into 4 parts, and how much does each get here? Quarter part. Then you can write it as an half. Quarter means 1 by 4 and half means 1 by 2. Then how much of this cake do Rajni and Raju together get? Color their total share. All together they get 3 parts out of 4. See this, 3 parts out of 4. 3 parts out of 4 means 3 by 4. 3 parts out of 4. Out of 4, how many parts here? 3 parts, and it is called as a 3 quarter. 3 by 4 means 3 quarter. Then next one point is grading Kundu. Then this remaining part tomorrow. Okay. Bye.